Hi, welcome. I was contacted by somebody from a company called ELECFRESH. They're a company that makes automotive products. They asked me if I would do an unboxing and review of their 4-piece center console product. This particular one is for either Honda Pilot, Ridgeline, or Passport. So I'll start with unboxing it. So it came packaged like this. And in this packaging, they have another box. So let's take a look. Well packaged. So this is for the armrests, cup holder liner. This will be divider for the interior of the center console. And a tray with some rubber type of inserts. So let's go into the interior and install these. Here's the interior of the center console before installing everything. As you see, everything's just sitting there in the compartment. So there's not too much regarding assembly. These two pieces just put together. And then we can install these rubber inserts. One of them has a curved edge, the other one does not, so they go specifically in the spot. And then the larger one. So now this is ready to install. There's no assembly. It looks like there'll be some stickers here to make it permanent. It opens. So let's go inside again. So I'll remove everything from the console bin. Still pretty clean, and not sure if it goes one way. Looks like it goes in this way. So it looks like it's in there nice and solid. We can have things be a little bit more organized and not moving around. So there's the first item. Next would be the center console tray. It looks like it goes in just one way and fits perfectly, as you can see. So I'll probably stick sunglasses here and anything else. So now we have 2 layers of storage. So next would be the center console armrest attachment. Peel off this protective on the sticky and stick it in. So let's just try a dry fit. So it would go on like this, and this opens. So give you some extra storage, almost hidden. So I think that's a nice feature. Here is the hidden compartment accessory on the armrest. So it easily opens. Just a couple of magnets holding it shut. Now you can put stuff in there, anything you want. It's sort of hidden. And it does not affect the operation of the armrest. The fourth and final item is the cup hold insert. And that just falls into place, nice and snug. You still has slots there for these, I'm not sure what you call that, but anyways it does. I've read some other reviews where they really like it in the sense that if you spill something, it's a lot easier to remove this and clean it. So this now concludes this video of the unboxing and review of the 4-piece center console set from ELECFRESH. If you like this, I'll put a link in the comments. Thanks again for watching. Hope to see you again soon. Bye.